Hello, my name is Gail Weaver and finally the last row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. Here is the first ring of this row, and we have two joint picots here, and then chain, 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 and do not forget about joint picots here. 1, 2, 3, and I'm already done my row, so this moment and this are equal, and I just want to remind you how to make a ring between two chains up here. Is the same we did here, but I want just to remind you how to do that. So we just need to make a knot here between these two threads. So I've just switched the shuttle thread direction, and now I can make a ring. So that's 8 double stitches, picot 6. Okay, now we have a ring, and now we need to make a knot as well. And I just pull the shuttle thread through this ring. And I pull the shuttle through this loop. Okay, now I'm holding all threads near ring's center, and I'm just pulling the shuttle thread. So we have like a knot in the ring's center here. And now we can make another chain. So 1 double stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you see that we have smooth transition here. Okay, I will finish this row. I will hide the ends here, and that's it. And as I mentioned before, I never block my doilies, so I'm just going to iron it, and I will show you how. How do I do that? And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how I iron my doilies. This is a clean towel. This is our doily and a cotton fabric. And Let's iron it. Okay. And that is the result. Okay. I'm going to pin that, and I will have one more wonderful doily in the frame. So that's it. And finally, we have our beautiful doilies, and you can be proud of yourself. Thank you so much for watching, for accepting this challenge, for being with me, for your likes, comments, and support. That's meant a lot. And as I told at the beginning, that's just an experiment, and as for me, I really like it, and I want to make more just because of your reaction. And again, thank you so much. Have a great time tatting, and see you in my next series. Bye!